completed our website. Just there are a few things that we need to check before actually making it publishers ready. So basically, we need to have these links forwarded to where they should be. Like about me should be forwarded to over here at about me, and my projects to over here at my projects. So these two things are important. Another thing is we can include icons of all these three sites over here and actually add links over here, except we have added paragraphs. So let's do these things pretty quick. So we have let's do this. Okay, yeah. After this, so this is converted to A now. We need to give it all an href attribute. So now let's give it a hashtag. Okay, so now about me would have an id called abtme. It's about me, and projects would have an id projects. Okay, so now we have to forward these two to their location. So about me would be going to hash about abt, and my projects is going to hash projects. Let's show you how it works. So let's come to the Lander one, pressing it. We are in about me, my projects, we are in my projects. Okay, so now come to start the css. Over here we haven't changed this footer, this p to a. Let's change it to a, also a. Text decoration is none, and color is 000. So now let's include the icons. We would go to box icons. Now box icons is a pretty huge library of icons which most of the developers used in their websites, except Font Awesome. We are not going to use that. It's pretty boring, same kind of icons. I don't like it. Yeah, so the first one is YouTube. Let's copy the svg code, bring it down here, and we have YouTube. Just the thing is the height and width, and also this would change to 4, 3, and these two be 16. See how it works. Oops. But then we have Instagram, or we have Twitter. Sorry, we have Twitter. We have Twitter. Where are you, my dear Twitter? Where are you? Copy the SVG code. I'm trying to avoid third-party libraries as much as I can, but sometimes we have to use it. Okay, now Instagram. There we go. Instagram SVG code. And here we go. The portfolio is ready. This is also gonna be the same for the SVGs. SVG and SVG is fill. It's working. Hey, SVG has a fill. Okay, if it does a problem. Yeah. Now, another problem that we were facing is, see what happens. Open menu. Here's the menu. Close it. Now, come over here. There's no menu. So, what we have to do is no, sorry, only these two. If window but inner width is less than equals to 800, then only do so, or else y dot style dot display equals to always flex as the first one. Let's see if it works or not. Window dot inner width $375. Okay. One who is using it over there. However, is not going to use it on phones, so not a big problem. You can also say it like this: that if x dot style dot display is equals to the, and so block. And what is this? Yeah, it's block. I don't do this, that would be better. Yeah, so that's all. Oh yeah, we need to include icons over there as well, I guess so. So menu, this one, copy the SVG code, bring it over here and just paste it. We have this, open it, We have this, so let's now change it to close, close, close. We have over here close. Okay. X. Maybe X is there. Where are you, X? Ah, here we go, X. SVG is copied. Now yeah, so our portfolio is ready, and you know what? We do another thing, and the thing is, this would be 50%. Change everything. Just change everything. It will change everything. See this? Okay, it hasn't. It hasn't. My bad. Oh, I didn't refresh it. So if you click over here, it brings it, and you can see that. So you can now cross it. Good one. So yeah, this is it. This is our portfolio. Oh no, this isn't. We have contact. What to do with contact me? Yes, there is something we can do. The thing that we can do is bring to contact me. We would have an on click, and we would say window dot location href equal to https dot slash dash Arkadeep, means any URL you can give, even a Google Docs form. Okay. Single braces, I believe it's done. Yeah, it has forwarded me. So that's it with our so that's it for this series, and I hope that you liked it. If you liked it, then please do share it and subscribe my channel. It helps a lot. Yeah, bye.